Hey friends, it's Jane here from Crafting with Miss Jane, and I've got a really exciting video for you today. This is my brand new box of Stampin' Up goodies that comes from the mini catalogue, which is coming out I think September 3rd or September 4th. Super exciting, so let's get into it. I have already of course opened the box and taken out the packaging, but super exciting what is inside here. This is all brand new products from this mini catalogue. It's coming out for September to December. It's going to be while supplies, limited edition products. Very, very exciting, and I do hear that these sell out quite quickly. So let's see what I actually got in my box. The first thing I got was these gorgeous Stampin' Blends. I decided to get the red color. It's the red one that goes with all of the Christmas things. So I love these Stampin' Blends. I already have the pink one. Then I decided to get these little cards. These are the Reindeer Days Memories and More card pack. And these are gorgeous 4x6 and 3x4 cards. They make perfect additions to your scrapbook layouts, or you can actually make really quick and easy Christmas cards with these. And they have the cutest little reindeer design. So I can't wait to make Christmas cards with that. I also got some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. Now these are my favorite because they are the little foam dots that you can use to raise up your project. So anything you want to raise up, these are the mini ones. I have the normal standard ones, so I had to grab another packet of those. This is brand new product coming out in September. This is gorgeous little embellishments. These look like little candy canes, and these are the real red and white adhesive backed peppermints. How adorable, how stinking cute are these? So cute. I grabbed some of this Multi liquid glue. I can't say that, but everyone's been using this glue in their card making and their scrapbooking, and so I thought, why not? I've seen it in the catalogue. We're going to try some of that. I grabbed 2 more packets of embellishments to go with some of the paper packs that I got. This one is really, really beautiful. You can see that the packs of embellishments are you get quite a lot of embellishments in there. So this one's the Regal foiled adhesive back dots, and these ones are really beautiful. I'm really impressed with these embellishments. They're all gold and silver, perfect for Christmas. So these are the Drusy adhesive backed embellishment. So you'll see them on the pages in the catalogue, which will be coming out in early September. And then I'm so excited. These are the Ephemera packs. So I got 3 Ephemera packs, which have become my new favorite little die cut way to embellish your scrapbook pages and your cards. And these are 3 brand new ones for Christmas coming out in the mini catalogue. So you've got the tags for season Ephemera packs, which you get so many sheets of those. And then you also get this one. This is the Joyful Images Ephemera pack, which has all the shapes and things like that, the little reindeers and Christmas die cut shapes. And then this one has all of your beautiful sentiments, which you can pop onto your cards and your scrapbook pages. So this one is the Joyful Sayings Ephemera pack, and these are just so easy to use. You get quite a few sheets of these, so I will open them in another video, but they are just die cuts you pop out and just so easy to use on your crafting projects. Now this also goes with those particular cards. This is the gold dipped cards and envelopes, and these are the Christmas cards and envelopes that go with the Ephemera packs that I just showed you. So they are ready-made envelopes and ready-made card front bases. This has been on my wish list for a really long time, and so this is a limited edition product that Close to My Heart brought out. This is one of the last ever Close to My Heart products. Now Stampin' Up is selling this, and this is the Secret Garden thin cuts. And I'll just quickly open these to show you how beautiful and stunning they are. So they make these beautiful flowers. You can cut them out with cardstock, or you can cut them out with pattern paper. And look at all the dies you get in this set. So obviously you layer the flowers together. You've got little leaves, but this is a timeless piece of die cut, a thin cut set that you can use over and over again. Once you purchase this, you'll have this in your stash for years and years to come, just to make beautiful flowers for your scrapbook pages, layouts. You could even put them on paper crafting projects, gift tags, all sorts of stuff. So I did pick up some of the memory protectors. These are going to sell out really quickly because this is Close to My Heart products that now everybody can purchase. So I grabbed 8.5 by 11-inch page protectors because I actually have an album that I got from Close to My Heart. I grabbed some Rosy cardstock. So this is the two-tone cardstock from Close to My Heart. There's only a few packs left of the Close to My Heart products on the Stampin' Up website. So this is the last chance you'll be able to get any Close to My Heart products. So I got some brand new paper packs from Stampin' Up, and this is called the Regal Winters 12x12 Designer Series paper. And I will open this in another video. I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you today, but look how beautiful and stunning this floral pattern is. So obviously it's for the autumn or kind of winter season, these beautiful Regal jewel tone colors. I just, as soon as I saw this paper, I was like, I have to have this. I also got this beautiful paper, which is a little festive 12x12 designer series paper, and I will quickly just open this. This is one of the beautiful papers that you actually get a few sheets of paper, and then you also get some die cut sheets. So you get some beautiful die cut sheets, and I will show you all of this in more detail when I start making them. But like, how gorgeous are these Christmas die cuts? And again, look at them, they just pop out so easily. So you've got some beautiful papers there. You can use this for scrapbooking pages, or you can use this for cards. I'll probably be making a mixture of cards and scrapbooking pages, but you've got so much stuff there. You could also make some cute little Christmas gift tags. This paper pack, this one goes with the Regal flowers. This is the Regal Distressed Patterns, and this is special beautiful gold foil paper. So I'm really excited to open that. And then I did grab myself 2 of the top loading memory protectors because I always use this style of memory protector to put my scrapbook pages in, and they are the last of the Close to My Heart ones. So there is my unboxing today, guys. I hope you are excited about the new Christmas product that's coming very soon from Stampin' Up. It's going to be out, I think, from the 3rd or 4th of September. But you can get some of this Secret Garden products now. You can get some of the items I've got in this box now, but I will be excited to make some Christmas cards starting in September, so look for them out on my page. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a fun scrapping Saturday, and I'll talk to you in my next video. See you later.